Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at Rudy's MS200 rear grip chainsaw. He's from Washington. This saw had some run issues, erratic running, and just kind of low on power, so he wanted to do a little power tune on it, make it a test chainsaw, not to be used for any type of wood cutting. Will be disabled at the end of the video. It's been ported, tuned, and let me fire it up and let you listen to it. And we'll go out and make a few cuts with it. Got a piece of Doug fir log. It has been kiln dried, which is very hard wood, Doug fir, and I've got Rudy's chainsaw there, the 200. Also, I've got a vintage original 019, and we'll make a couple of comparison cuts with these chainsaws. See the difference in the performance of the chainsaws. Rudy, there's your chainsaw, and I'll get it shipped out to you today.